Hello everyone, welcome to Graphics World. Today I will show you how to create a logo design. So let's go to the start. First we will take the size of the logo. 3000 wide and 3000 height, resolution 300 and color mode RGB. Then create. We need a graph paper. Go to the top bar, view, show, then guide. Go to the toolbar and select the pen tool from there. Click on the specific cell of the graph paper as per the video. And in the next cell, hold down the left mouse button and create the shape. At this time, hold down Alt key on the keyboard and click the left mouse button at this point. Important things: if you want to go back, press Ctrl Z. Create a new layer. To change the color of the shape on, double-click the left mouse button on the 4 particle of shape on. Press Ctrl and at the same time press the right mouse button on the 4 particle of shape 2. Delete layer shape 2. Click right button on the mouse, then rasterize layer. Press Delete key on the keyboard. Select to deselect or Ctrl D. Go to the toolbar and select the ellipse tool from there. Create shape by holding Shift on the keyboard and the right side mouse button. Edit Free Transform Path, then move to left side. Select Pen tool from toolbar. Create new layer. Stroke 20 pixel and fill no color. All layers are included in a group. Select Text tool from toolbar. Font size 142 pixel. Font name script empty bold. Select Rectangle tool and create shape by pressing the right button on the mouse. Hold down the button on the left side of the mouse and drag the top left corner radius to the right. Stroke 5 pixel and fill no color. Font size 25.5 pixel. And font name Black Fox personal use only. Press Ctrl and at the same time press the right mouse button on the 4 particle of rectangle on. Select to deselect or Ctrl D. Remove graph paper, View, Show, then Guide. To make a duplicate layer from ellipse layer 3, press Shift Alt on the keyboard and the same time press the left mouse button to move in right side. Click right button on the mouse, then bleeding option, then gradient overlay. Click right button on the mouse, then copy layer style. Select butterfly group 5, then right button on the mouse, then convert to smart object. Click right button on the mouse, then paste layer style. Thanks everyone for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have a problem understanding somewhere, please comment.